Hello, good morning, students. Today we will do uh, miscellaneous exercise on chapter 10 and very few questions we'll do. Question number 12 is very important question. Let A be I plus 4j plus 2k, B equal to 3i minus 2j plus 7k, and C is 2i minus j plus 4k. Find a vector D which is perpendicular to both A and B, and C dot D equal to 15. Given that vector D is perpendicular to both A and B, and we know that A cross B is perpendicular. This is vector A and this one vector B, suppose. So vector A cross B is perpendicular to both A and B. Since D is also perpendicular to both A and B, then A cross B and vector D will be parallel vector, because A cross B and vector D, they are perpendicular to both A and B. So A cross B and D will be parallel vector. So D is parallel to A cross B. Therefore, D can be written as lambda into A cross B, where lambda is a scalar. Lambda is a scalar. Now, in place of A cross B, you write down the determinant to get A cross B. Lambda into ijk, the first row of the determinant will be ijk. First vector is A, so the coefficient of the scalar component of the vector A will be the second row, and scalar component of the vector B will be the third row. So scalar component of the vector A are 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, and scalar components of the vector B are 3, minus 2, 7. So 1, 4, 2 and 3 minus 2, 7. Now expand the determinant. Lambda whole into I whole into 4 into 7 is 28, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, minus will be plus 4, minus j into 1 into 7 is 7, minus 3 into 2 is 6, plus k cap into 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, minus 3 into 4 is 12. So lambda whole into 32i, 28 plus 4, 32i, 7 minus 6 is 1j, minus j, and minus 14k. Also given that C dot D equal to 15. So vector C you write down here, dot vector D, this is vector D, equal to 15. Now lambda you write down here, and then you take the product of these two vectors. 2 into 32 is 64, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, plus 4 into minus 14 is minus 56. And then from this equation you find the value of lambda. Lambda is 5 by 3, and then value of lambda you put in equation 1 to get vector D. So D equal to lambda is 5 by 3 whole into 32i minus j minus 14k. Next question number 13. The scalar product of the vector I plus j plus k with a unit vector along the sum of the vectors 2i plus 4j minus 5k and lambda I plus 2j plus 3k is equal to 1. Find the value of lambda. This vector is the dot product of this vector and the unit vector along the sum of these two vectors is 1. So you consider the vector, the first one A, the second one B, and the third one C. So first you find the sum of these two vectors B and C, B plus C. So B plus C will be 2 plus lambda whole into I plus 4j plus 2j is 6j minus 5k plus k minus 2k. Then you find the unit vector along the sum of B and C. Unit vector along B plus C is the vector B plus C divided by its magnitude. So this is B plus C vector divided by its magnitude, 2 plus lambda whole square plus 6 square plus minus 2 square. So this is the unit vector along B plus C. Given that according to question, A dot this unit vector is equal to 1. Now you write in the factor A here. A is I plus j plus k dot the unit vector is 2 plus lambda whole into I plus 6j minus 2k by root 2 plus lambda whole square plus 36 plus 4 is equal to 1. So I plus j plus k dot 2 plus lambda whole I plus 6j minus 2k, and then cross multiply 1 into this is equal to root 1 into this one, 2 plus lambda whole square plus 36 plus 4. Now you take dot product of these two vectors. 1 into 2 plus lambda, 1 into 6, 1 into minus 2, and this one you expand. 2 plus lambda will be 2 square, 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 lambda plus lambda square plus 36 plus 4 is 40, and this one will be 2 plus lambda plus 6 minus 2 root lambda square plus 4 lambda, 4 plus 40 is 44, plus 2 minus 2 cancel, lambda plus 6 is equal to root lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Now square on both sides to remove the square root. From this equation you have to get the value of lambda, so squaring on both sides, then square root will be removed, squaring on both sides, then it will be lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Expand this one, lambda square plus 2 into 6, 12 lambda plus 36, lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Lambda square cancel from both sides, then 12 lambda minus 4 lambda is 8 lambda, 44 minus 36 is 8, so lambda equal to 1, so the value of lambda is 1. Okay, next question number 18. This is multiple choice question. The value of I dot j cross k plus j dot I cross k plus k dot I cross j is 0, minus 1, 1 and 3. So answer I dot j cross k plus j dot I cross k plus k dot I cross j, I j k, j cross k will be I in anti-clockwise direction, so this one will be I dot I. J cross k is I, so j cross k is I. J dot I cross k is minus j, in clockwise direction it will be negative, so it will be minus j, plus k dot I cross j is k plus k, I dot I is 1, minus plus become minus, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, so answer is 1. 19. If theta is the angle between any two vectors a and b, then modulus of a dot b is equal to magnitude of a cross b when theta is equal to a 0, b pi by 4, pi by 2, pi. 4 options are there. Then which one will be the correct option? A dot b magnitude of a cross b. A dot b is magnitude of a, magnitude of b cos theta, and magnitude of a cross b is magnitude of a, magnitude of b sin theta. So my magnitude of a dot b is magnitude of a dot b is this one, and since modulus is there, so cos theta will be positive here. So magnitude of a and magnitude of b we can cancel from both sides, that is dividing by magnitude of a and magnitude of b. Then we will get cos theta equal to sin theta. Then cos theta by sin theta is equal to 1, dividing both sides by sin theta. Then cos theta by sin theta is 1, and cos theta by sin theta is cot theta, 1 equal to cot 45 degree or pi by 4. So theta equal to pi by 4. So B is the correct option. Okay. Now you see these two questions are very important. Okay. Question number 13 and 12 from miscellaneous, and exercise 10.5, exercise 10.5 is very important. One homework question will come in the final exam. Okay. So this chapter is completed. You have to study nicely this chapter, because this chapter carries around 10 marks, and this chapter is not very hard, so prepare it nicely. Okay.